It's a 2017 BMW M2. When you drive the M2, the only thing preceding you will be its reputation. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo i6 engine, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, hands-free liftgate, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, BMW online full-service internet access, front heated leather sport seats, external memory control, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Car and Driver finds the M2's turbocharged 3-liter has eyeball-flattening thrust from about 2,000 RPM to the 7,000 RPM redline. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.